How I do polygel with tips. I'm just trimming off the extra here. This is what I use for my slip solution. Dip your spatula into that. I'll be using Gel Perfect Nude Polygel. Placing that right here. Dipping my brush into slip solution and wipe off the extra. I'm just starting to pat out the polygel. I'm trying to make sure that it doesn't touch my skin. Sometimes I use a smaller brush to pat near the cuticle area. I try to keep the polygel thin here. If your brush gets sticky, just re-dip in your slip solution. After patting, I use base coat over my polygel to smooth it out even more. This prevents sticking. I do this before I cure it in the lamp. Lamp it for 30 seconds. Getting some white polygel on my spatula and some nude polygel. This is one of the techniques I use to marble polygel. I'm applying that to the rest of the nail. I'm patting it down and trying to get it as smooth as possible. Adding some more to the side. Patting the sides, moving upwards. Smoothing it out with some more base coat. Placing it into my lamp. Adding some of this. Sealing that with base coat. I fully cured it and now I'm cleaning it off. Shaping the sidewalls. Smoothing it out with my e-file. This is how I file near the cuticle area. Adding some top coat. And we're done. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.